Lilia, I'm not sure if this is it. I keep clicking on the 39D2 and it comes up with 39D1. So if it isn't it, just let me know. Open it up like this and show me the one, or do a screenshot or a clip. Okay, so they want you to resize the name column. Take your pointer like this, your mouse, hold it down to the left. This is what I did till about 2, right there. And slide this over. Do the pointer like this till about 2. Try to get it just to the 4, maybe. And you should get correct. Alright. And D3-1, I'm assuming it's this one here. Clicking and change the width of column A of the current table to 2.2. So this is column A right here. So highlight it. Go up here. Go to layout. Right here to cell size. And what do they want? They want the width. So go to 2.2. Alright. I think that's it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.